trading in the Philippines. Today is Wednesday, March 18th, and the market just opened. In fact, we had a hard stop once again. I'm looking at this. There might be a possible entry here first. So before I go on, here is the usual disclaimer. So any comments made in this recorded webinar should not be taken as an order to enter trades, nor should it be considered as trading advice. This recorded webinar is strictly for educational purposes only to illustrate how we trade DTA's Congressive System. Any past performance of DTA's Congressive System is not indicative of future results. I must emphasize that I am neither a licensed or professional trading advisor. I am a retail trader, and that's it, like everyone else. And once again, this recorded webinar is strictly for educational purposes only. So before I go on, like I said, there was a hard stop right here. There was a circuit breaker right here at this level right here. So now we're looking at around 7% decline, which should be down here, or 7% increase, which should be up here. So anywhere that goes to that level, it's going to do another circuit breaker. So as we're looking at this, right now, again, there's high volatility. It's around 144 points between here to here. So another high volatility. Again, I'm trading the micro E-minis, and with micro E-minis, I'm trading one contract. Like I said, I've been involved with Top Step Trader, trying to get a funded account, trying to show my students that you can actually do swing trading on the micro E-minis. And I've now I met their step one, which is to achieve a 1,000. Hey Jeff, you there?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm trading the micro E-minis because right now, if we're going to trade the ES, the margin is like $9,000 for one contract. So a lot of people who are trading micros right now, the margin is $900. The usual margin for micros is $50. That's why I'm trying to, if you see in my page, I've been trying to apply for trading. I'm showing a lot of people can't afford the 400 right now.
Okay, now.
You may want to put your thing on mute. Let me see here. Hold on. Yeah, hold on. Yep. But it's the same principle as trading the ES. It's just using ES. It's what I do here is more price action. I mean, the indicators are there. It just confirms something, but I don't place my entries by the indicators. I place my entries based on price action. So we opened right here, just kind of dipped down. Now just trying to see if it's going to try to go up. Because like I said, here is a circuit breaker down there.
Dom,
Yeah.
you'll be showing me the 3 trade setups if it's possible today.
No, impossible because the volatility is so big.
Okay. Sige, sige. Thank you.
Yeah, it's hard to trade the legacy right now with the volatility so big. In fact, the guy who's trading the live account right now, I don't know if you saw the post. Yeah, I can. Most of his entries are really not legacy. He's just guessing. That's why he's really lucky right now that where he's at right now, because most of his entries, there's some maybe when the first day when he made the thing was maybe one trade that was a good legacy, but that's about it. The rest he was basically guessing where he was going to enter. Like yesterday, he only made $37, which is at least it's good. It's positive. But I was looking at his trades, and I want to ask him, why did you enter at a certain point? Because it's basically none of the legacy setups he's doing. And and like I said, it's gonna pay if you don't know what the legacy setups is. Eventually, you'll not be consistent. With this, like here, what is this? This right here is a V1 right here, right? This one right here. But you'll see a lot of overruns because of the volatility. That's why you can't really, with this type of volatility, you can't really do anything. If you try to stick with a legacy, you'll just get either stopped out easily. And so this type of market, I don't even recommend for beginners to even try to trade this. I mean, you can try practicing on it, but other than that, in terms of trading live, it's hard. But you can try practicing on it. You have to have a bigger stop loss, at least maybe 3 points, and then start moving it once you get into the trade.
You said start moving, you mean going up, down, or you add?
Well, your initial stop loss would be 3 points, and from that point on, you decrease it every time once you're into the trade. But the thing is, the way this is moving, you'll get right to 2 points right away because it's sobrang volatile yung market right now.
Yeah, I understand.
Yesterday, I made $500 on one contract on the micro. That's unheard of. On one contract, $500.
Yesterday,
Yeah.
yeah, the one you posted, 511 plus.
Yeah. No, yesterday, yeah, $500. That one, basically what I did, I only posted only 1 hour trading. That was $200, but I took 3 more trades and ended up 500.
So you funded your e-mini account.
I have a live account with a micro, right? I doubled that.
You funded
But now the
10,000.
margin is so big that I'm not going to fund an additional 1,000. Just to enter a trade in the micros, you need you need to have a margin of $918. Just the margin. So to trade, you need at least $1,000. What I'm doing right now, I'm testing to get funded. Top Step Trader will fund me once I pass this second step test. Then they'll fund me $10,000. That's why what I'm doing here is I'm basically detailing how you can take the test, just being consistent in your trades. But it's a 2-step test. I already passed the first step. I achieved the $1,000 profit. So the second step is to achieve another $1,000. with the parameters that they gave you, right? And if you do that, then they'll fund you $10,000.
Okay. The fund is
It's better. It's better. It's better that your risk is only what, I think $110, $105 or something like that. That's it. That's your risk. That's what you're investing for. The test costs like 100, 105 or 110, something like that. That's it.
Okay.
You have to be consistent in your trading. You can't just right away. I have some guys who start trading, oh, I can do this. So they tried it, and what happened? They lost.
Yes, that's what happened to me.
Like I said, you have to be very patient in trying to learn this. You can't just all of a sudden learn it in 3 days, because impossible. You'll just be wasting your money if you're going to be trading it live, or even funding to test for to test for a funded account, because you will not be consistent if you don't know the system.
Okay.
Like I tell everyone, like remember I said in the beginning, whoever tells you that trading is going to be easy, everyone makes it seem like it's easy. But the thing is, the people who do it consistently, you don't know the journey that they got there, how they got there. Hindi basta 3 days, 1 week. Hindi ganun. Maybe the fastest guy I've seen maybe was 6 weeks, and that was the guy who was 61 years old. His name is Jim. He did it in 6 weeks. Yeah, 6 weeks. 61 years old.
The one who designed the system,
Yep.
I guess.
Yep. Yeah, the Congresso system. Took him 6 weeks.
So right now you are waiting for a trade setup that is advanced than the legacy.
Yeah. Right now you see it's not going anywhere. It's just going up and down here.
Yeah, because I can see that your chart has several lines that I cannot that's not found in legacy setup or charts.
Yeah, because I'm looking at let me see if I can get my ES up. Hold on. You can see here it's forming some support right here. So I'm just waiting for some momentum to go up, and I'll take a trade going up. But that would be against you see the overall trend right now is down. But we'll see if they're going to try to take this up. I'm trying to get my other one up. It's in my other laptop, the ES, and see how that's doing. So this chart right here is the micros. It's MES. If you've seen the corner here, it's MES, micro E-mini. The one you're trading is ES.
Yes.
So let me look at your chart over here. Yeah, if I were you, right here for you guys, for the ES, it's coming off on a, this is setting up as a but I wouldn't even take that trade on there because, first of all, most likely this one's going to go up. I can tell by the ES. So I'm waiting for my entry here to go up on the micro. You see that on the ES, you see the support, you see the fill line is flat. So most likely this will go up. You look at your ES chart. So you can look for a V1 entry on that one easily on the ES. So here's a trade setup for you. What is this one? V1, V2, or V3?
I'm sorry, Dom, which area are you referring to?
Right here, right there.
Ah, okay. That is downward sloping. Downward momentum. Then pointing down. V2.
Yep, correct. V2.
No. Okay, cross. Okay.
Another V2 right here.
Downward sloping fill line. Price bar above fill line. No, I can see that micro and as compared to ES, uh, micro does not move a lot.
It just happened now. I mean, ES is not moving that much either. This is tonight is just basically, it's not moving that much. The past week has been moving a lot. That's how I was able to make 500.
Yeah. Maybe by the end of the
ES is not moving that much either. It's just going up and down too. Yeah, what I'm right now, that's already 6 points.
Yes, I can see. So your strategy was you waited for the 38.2% break.
I'm just looking at price action right now. Though all the fibs are just basically my targets. That's it. I don't try to trade off the fibs. I just use the fibs as a target. But when I enter, it's basically price action, and that's more. I'm teaching that more to my advanced students. We're to enter in the price action. Right now, you're on basic, right? You're basic on you're still in the basic. That's where you have to get used to entering at the mid. You have to get used to entering at the mid band.
Yes, I'm still waiting for my order to be hit.
Yeah, that's why I'm telling you, with this high volatility, it's hard.
Let's go hit.
ES, that's looking like what on the ES. Are you looking at your ES chart?
Yes, no. Yes, no, I'm looking at it right now. It's upward.
Yeah, you missed an entry.
No, I
Yes.
got stopped out.
Yeah, you would have bought right there when it broke off the mid band and came back down. That would have been a V2.
Yes, but yeah, they know. I traded an invalid V1.
Invalid V1. V1 what, buy or sell?
Buy.
V1. It was actually valid, but it just overran. That's why I'm saying with these, it's gonna overrun the mid band, then it's gonna go back to the same direction. That's why with these high volatility like this, that's why I just tell with a 5-tick stop, it's most likely it's gonna overrun your stop and then continue to the same direction where you're supposed to go.
Okay.
Order filled. Stop filled.
The fill line was kind of going down, right?
Yes. That was my fourth stop loss.
Yeah, what's your stop loss? 5 ticks?
No, yeah, I set it at 8.
Yeah, it's gonna be over. You need more than that.
Okay.
Like I said, it's high volatile. What's your band there? Remember, I look at your bandwidth. What's your bandwidth?
Yeah, oh, then.
If it's over 10, that's why I always tell the beginners don't trade when it's over 10.
Stupid. Ang galing mo. Check name. Ano siya yung tabang? Bukan ba yung brand payment? 10. Asan siya lagi kung may brand to lugar, di ba? Kaya matay na may oil. Diyan kaya may nakita mo. Adam? No?
Yeah.
I was just wondering if your earlier position was your SL hit or did you close it before it was hit?
No, it hit my stop loss.
Oh, okay. Okay.
On
But,
that one, on that one, my stop loss was maybe I lost 154, and that was maybe
Mm.
close to what? Close to 30. But this one, I'll probably get it back because right now this is my initial target, but I might move it down here. I'm just looking at the volatility right now. I'm gonna move it down here. So,
yeah.
like I said, I'm not really scared about losing, just as long as I'm getting bigger wins.
Yeah. 'Cause right now my order was not hit. I already had 4 losses.
Yeah. And like I said, it's hard to trade this type of market, especially if you're a beginner.
Yeah.
That's why my more advanced, I'm teaching them more price action when it comes to this. The other strategy, when you have this type of volatility, yeah, the other more advanced strategy is more price action.
Okay.
Okay.
So your advanced class is a separate course.
Yeah.
Okay.
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 But
okay.
I always tell my advanced class they have to learn. You have to go through the coaching session first. You still have one coaching session or one coaching session. But the thing is, you have to. I want to see your setup because you haven't submitted any charts yet.
Okay.
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 Submit your charts on your market replay trades.
I'm sorry?
Submit your chart. Remember, you're doing your market replay trades.
Yeah, I did it. I did it before the market opened. I had
Okay.
I already had some print screens, and
No.
after when the market opened, I proceeded with.
Which one? I'm talking about market replay. Remember the market replay? Meron kang
Yes,
market replay?
Yes, I did market replay from January 23.
Okay.
Then I closed it when the market opened. So I tried trading just to get a taste of the live market.
Okay. Yeah, when you start doing your market replay, submit your trades on your market replay. I want to see where you enter and what you identify. Remember, I told you, you put your trade setup, valid or invalid. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
I did some screenshots.
Yeah, I need to see your screenshots.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Dom.
Yep. So with that, I'm gonna end today. Market has been really weird since we're close to the circuit breaker and the downside. So basically, I am down 294 right there. My limit is per day is around 500, so I'll quit it now. I can't go below drawdown of 1,000, I believe. Yeah, $1,000. So I'll quit today. I'll battle again tomorrow. This been going up, and like I said, we had a kind of read the market wrong today. I should improve by tomorrow. Like I said, we had it down. It retraced up to the 50. And basically, I just got thrown off right here. I was looking to go further up. I could have got a profit there. And we hit down. I could have had this downside here. And it's going to continue going down. Like I said, here's your. And the thing is, I don't know where exactly is the circuit breaker. It might be around here somewhere. So with that said, we'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Take care. God bless. And do not let fear overcome you. Bye-bye.